I don't know how much faster she is, but she's definitely faster than the WR, obviously, but by how much, I'm not sure. Well, a lot of you are going to click this video to watch it, and then you're going to say to me, oh, of course the WR is slower than the FE501. I get it, but you still watched this video, didn't you? Because you watched it to see how much faster it is than the WR250R. And that's more so the point of this video. We all know the WR is slower than the FE501, but this video just illustrates how much quicker the FE501 is. It's a beast. Yeah, I like this thing. This thing is a ripper. An absolute ripper.